What's happening, good people? Welcome to the Afro Hair Science YouTube channel. Y'all know who it is. It's me, your homegirl, Ladosha Wright, aka Lolo. That's right, I'm pointing at that red hair because I'm getting ready to hook y'all up. This has got to be the most requested video that I get all the time is, can you teach us how to dominate using that RevAir? Why, I ask? Because, Lolo, our ends are crunchy. Another thing, sometimes our hair be feeling all stiff and is our hair too thick? Oh yeah, and sometimes it's not even all that smooth. Okay, just keep watching the video. Why? Because what they don't tell you on social media about the key to dominating the Rev Air, I got you. Starting off with a great shampoo and conditioner. So quite naturally, I'm going to promote RevAir shampoo and conditioner. Why? Because it's good, but you can use your own, okay? Next, you want to make sure that you have nice subsections in your hair and that you clip it down. I don't care what type of texture you have, but when hair begins to dry, it starts to tangle. So please make sure you're going to clip the hair down. This is tip number 2. Now, I'm going to go over this more in detail, but I'm just trying to give you guys a little breakdown, okay? So spray that conditioner on the ends of the hair and work it through. Do not spray your leave-in on the scalp. Comb it through. I repeat, don't spray this stuff on your scalp. Spray it on the ends of the hair because it's going to be soft, okay? Place the RevAir on the scalp and hold it. Don't pump it. Do not pump it. And then just slide it out. And then voila, your ends won't be crunchy. Okay, they will not be crunchy. Comb it through just so you can feel how nice the hair is going to feel. And it should be nice and smooth. Another secret is that you have to make sure that your scalp and your hair is flake free. No cooties on the scalp. Come on now. We want some beautiful hair. Now we want to dominate this Rev Air. So the Rev Air doesn't get very hot, so it can't break down that stuff. Okay. So make sure your scalp is clean. Again, it's not what brand you use, it's how you use it. I'm promoting the Rev Air brand because I'm doing a Rev Air video. But you can use your own favorite leave-in conditioner starting at the ends. And what? Comb it through for even distribution. This is how you dominate using the Rev Air. You want to get that hair coated, comb it through. Also, please make sure that your subsections are not too thick. So it's not that your hair is too thick, it's that your subsections might be too thick, okay? Here's another good secret. Make sure you have your setting on low and the speed is on number 2. Do not turn the speed up the tension setting to like 4, 5, 6, or 7. No, especially if you have tightly coiled hair. So the more texture, the less tension. Why? Because remember, the Rev Air is pulling the hair. You're not going to be stretching it like you would with the brush. So there's no need to turn that up. And in the last few seconds, if you want to, you can turn the heat up. But for the most part, it should be fine on low heat. But if you want to turn it up for the last few seconds, go on and work what your mama gave you. Okay, it's going to be all good. And remember, do not pump the Rev Air. It's going to render the device ineffective. So just hold it and then go ahead on and just pull it out. Now I'm exaggerating this so you guys can see. I want to see what the ends look like. I got you. Just hold on. There they go. Okay. So there you have it. Nice smooth hair. And then you want to comb it. All right. So if it feels like it's not smooth enough, more than likely your section was too thick. Tip number 3. Remember, you can turn that heat up the last few seconds, not the entire time. So once you have it on low for a few seconds, flip it up to warm, and that should give you a little bit more smoother feel because on its highest setting, the Rev Air is not as hot as the blow dryer on its lowest setting. So it's not very hot. That's why your hair has to be clean because the Rev Air cannot melt all that gunk off your hair. So make sure your hair is clean, your subsections are not too thick, and that you are combing it through. Another tip, make sure you remove the shedded hair and the hair fall from the comb. A lot of times we leave that in there. Don't do that because it may collect back onto the hair. And again, it's going to render your Rev Air experience like, I don't like this thing. No, no, no. I want you to like the Rev Air. I love the Rev Air, especially for people with hair like this. I'm telling y'all, this is what I do all day, every day. Make sure you use the right comb. You can get this on RevAir's website, but do not use wide tooth comb because they won't effectively coat the hair. Now, here's the bonus tip as I wrap it up. You gotta braid it down. No, I didn't say twist it. I didn't say knot it. I said braid it down if you want to keep that hair smoother, especially if you're going to go and get your hair braided, or maybe you're going to, go exercise, or maybe you want to press it out, or maybe you want to take your braids down and wear it loose. Make sure you braid the hair down, particularly if you have afro hair, because if not, it is going to respond to the moisture in the air and the hair is going to feel crunchy again, which is natural. But remember, you use the Rev Air because you want to dominate. You want to keep that hair nice and smooth for whatever style you want to wear. Now, if you want to wear it out, that's fine. But at night, make sure that you braid it down and tie it up. If you don't, when you wake up, you're going to be like, the Rev Air didn't work. It's not the Rev Air that didn't work. It's the air that worked on your hair, okay? Now, I hope you like these tips. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. You can braid the hair however you want. You can put 4 braids in there. You can put 2 braids in there. You can even do a nice snug ponytail if you want to. The key where I'm going with this part of the video is that you want to, like I said, render your Rev Air experience good by braiding it down because it's going to keep the afro hair from responding to the moisture in the air, whether it's humid outside, whether you're exercising, maybe you're going to be making love, or your kids are just getting on your nerves and your nerves just, you just start sweating your hot flashes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So make sure that you braid your hair down and braid it all the way to the ends. Don't leave no little knots out. Come on, little Abner. Y'all know who little Abner is, okay? So braid it all the way down. And then voila, you have dominated how to use the Rev Air. Rewatch the video. I got your back, all right? I appreciate you all so very much for watching. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And go visit Rev Air at myrevair.com. Deuces, my good people.